Just want to take a quick look at changing the colours on an image in some of the different ways. Getting started, if we look at the adjustments we've got a colour balance, which will let us adjust midtones, shadows and highlights. So we start with the midtones. We can go between red, you see the image gets a redder hue to it, and cyan, which obviously does that, and we can go greener and more magenta-y, if magenta is a word. Let's just stick these back to 0. You can just type in a figure here, and again blue and yellow, which is one way of approaching it. We also have HueSaturation, where we can change the hue by dragging through the menus. You can just see the colours all changing as we drag along. Saturation, that used to be a dial on old televisions, where you go around to someone's house and have the saturation turned up to full and everything was kind of glowing. There's some adjustment there. And lightness obviously makes the whole image lighter or darker. Now what's nice amongst these, see this little hand here. If you select the hand, you can click on an area of the image, hold down left click, then dragging the mouse side to side, it adjusts just the colour you've selected. So there I'm adjusting like the blues of the skies. If I select some of this yellow on this street lamp, can you see it's just bringing up and down the yellow in the image? So it lets you do some interesting things quite quickly. Let's try and pick some of this bridge colour, see what happens there. See, we're just picking out everything of that kind of colour range. Those are two of your main ways. What else is there? Brightness, contrast. Again, it's just the brightness and the contrast of the image. So you can dial these things in. What else have we got here? Hue, saturation, vibrance. So we can make the image more or less vibrant. It's weird, it's almost vibrance turned all the way down, it's almost kind of sepia. Saturation, I think is just the same saturation as in the other one. Color lookup. These are interesting. There are LUT files examples. Certainly if you watch Peaky Blinders or anything set in Mexico, they use these in movies to give an image a certain tone. And you can skip through these, and there's a whole bunch of kind of pre-set ones. Edgy amber, fall colours, film stock, foggy night. Those are definitely worth having a play with. We'll leave it there because we could spend a week on this. Thank you for watching.